No, what the very special there? Mama, I went to see Garuga about 4 days, 5 days. Who was it? Mama, can you remember when I came to the hospital? Okay. But at least it's about 4 or 5 days. Then Garuga, we talked. He was still talking well. He said, "You can say your government owes me money." We owe you money. Yes. I said, "Nika, let me go back to the office and I will find out." And I found out that the government was owing Garuga money, because I think we took one of our branches, and that has not yet been sorted out. I rushed, and what the lady told me, I want more money so that I can go to either he was talking about London or something like that. I said, fine. So I went to the office. I called my permanent secretary and I said, there is a great man, Garuga. I'm just been talking with him in the hospital. He has told me there is money in this ministry which he wants to have, and then maybe he will cure. Good enough, the permanent secretary did not disobey me. He prepared the papers, but what I don't know whether the money had been already sent, but if it had not been sent, it would have been sent so that it can help the women. I can hear Now we have started again. So Mama and the family, I affirm that transaction will be completed if it has not yet been completed. Because I knew Garuga's death bare about 2 days, because I was away. He died when I was away. So, our apologies, our condolences as a government. We have lost a pillar. Garuga has got a number of enterprises. He is employing quite many younger Ugandans. Then that man will hear praise him. Mama, I would have wished to come to Kanungu to say farewell of this man right in front of me here. But state matters cannot allow me. I have been deployed to go and represent the president. Otherwise, I would have wanted to be in Kanu. Friends, it is time. I was also coming, and I pray that we shall be eulogized of how what we have done in this world, rather than being laughed about and abused. So we better also start preparing. Those who are our 80, I can see somebody there. I can see you. I can see the ageless. Those who are around 80 something like that, like a stranger, we better behave. So that they can talk the way we are talking in the passage of Garuga. May the Lord rest his soul in peace. Yes, we shall come and together. Amen.
Thank you, Honorable Mateya Kasaija. You know, one of the characters of Honorable Mateya Kasaija is a great sense of humor. When you are standing, makes everybody laugh. In memory of the works of late James Musinguzi in Chigezi, he supported the anthem of Chigezi, the new version. And I request the machine people to look for it at the YouTube, and we shall stand up and sing it before we sing the sessional hymn and end our service. Stand up and sing it in honor of him. I am reminded that Grace Intele could be the best person to lead us in this. Please come here. Is she around? Gloria? Please come. Come in front. I hand over back to All Saints Church.
Our service has been concluded already. We are going to sing a recessional hymn as we get out. Thank you, Reverend. Please quiet.
Time but this is time for announcements on how the program is going to be run. From here, the body of late James is going to be taken to Kanungu, and all of us who want to go to Kanungu and to see or say farewell to Musinguzi, you need only 7 hours on the road. From here to Ruggiero, it's a smooth road.